Hi coders, welcome back to my channel. Today is our day 6 of the coding series Code Every Day. So let us quickly go to the system. Here we are back to our system. The previous day we have seen the if-else statement. We have checked which number is greater. Today we will see a similar case of the if-else statement. Okay, let me quickly create a class. Here, right click on this src folder, click on new, go to the Java class. So practice writing your class name with starting with capital letters. Okay, code everyday 006. Okay, this is a good practice. Following, we'll write the main method public static void main string args and the curly braces open. So today we will see even and odd numbers using if else statement. Okay, so any number which is divisible by 2 and has the remainder as 0, these numbers are told as even numbers. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in and we'll import our package. Import java.util.Scanner. See, our error is no more. Let us take a number from the user. Int num equals to sc.nextInt. Okay, and we'll check whether this number is even or odd. Okay, so if my number is divisible by 2 and has remainder 0. So in previous videos, I have told you this use of mod operator. Okay, it gives us the remainder. So if our number is divisible by 2, and so those numbers are told as even numbers. So we'll print it. System.out.println, the number is even. Okay, else system.out.println, the number is odd. Let me quickly run and show you. Suppose I take my first number as 14. So the number is even. And if we rerun it and show you, suppose 9. So the number is odd. This is how we check an even and odd numbers using the if else statement. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye and have a good day.